Favorite scenes set lights, shades, audio, and other devices to preset levels with the touch of a button. They create mood or match lighting to an activity in a room or throughout the entire home. Tap Add Scene to create a new scene. Let's enter basic information about your scene. Start by creating a name. Use something that is descriptive. This will be used to activate the scene later. Next, select an icon for the Scene button. Note, this icon will be specific to your phone. Other phones connected to the system will be able to personalize their icons based on their preference. Now it is time to select devices for this scene. Select the level you would like the device to go to. In this case, we would like the table lamp in the living room to turn off, so we selected the off setting. The new scene can be activated from the Scenes tab on the application.